Hello, my name is Rik Marselis. You can join me for a full-day training course at the Southeast European Test Conference. The course will be about test design using data combination testing, classification trees, and we will practice with tooling to do pairwise testing. So join me in this course and we'll have fun together. On 19 September I will do a half-day tutorial. The subject is create your own quality engineering strategy. You probably have made a test strategy before, but today we want to do quality engineering and you want to look at quality throughout the IT delivery process. So I will tell you all about quality engineering strategies and you will learn how to create your own. See you in Bucharest. Bye!